unlocks a $30 futures bonus. In 2025, the digital asset trading world is growing at lightning speed. Every day, billions in crypto are exchanged worldwide, and traders are demanding faster, safer, and more rewarding platforms. And that's where BloFin comes in. A global exchange that's fast, secure, and packed with massive earning potential. Today, we'll explore what makes BloFin stand out, and I'll also share how Crypto Chronicles with BloFin brings you an exclusive chance to earn up to $10,000 in rewards. BloFin is more than just another exchange. It's a full-scale trading ecosystem built for both beginners and professionals. From spot trading to futures and derivatives, the platform offers deep liquidity, lightning-fast execution, and some of the most competitive fees in the market. For everyday traders, it's simple, easy to use, and rewarding. For advanced users and institutions, it provides the tools and infrastructure to manage portfolios on a global scale. This balance is why BloFin is quickly becoming one of the fastest-growing names in the industry. Security is at the core of BloFin's design. With bank-grade encryption, cold storage for funds, and multi-signature protection, your assets are always safeguarded. The exchange runs on institutional-grade infrastructure, meaning it's not just secure, it's also highly reliable. This is the kind of trust system serious traders need when moving large volumes in a fast-changing market. Trading speed can make or break opportunities. BloFin's engine processes millions of transactions per second, so even during market surges, orders execute smoothly without lag. The platform is accessible across devices, desktop, iOS, and Android, making it easy to trade anytime, anywhere. No matter where you are, BloFin keeps you connected to the market. BloFin also focuses on education and community growth. From trading tutorials to in-depth research reports, the platform empowers users to learn while they trade. Its global community connects traders from around the world, creating a space to share insights, strategies, and opportunities, turning BloFin into more than just an exchange, but a real hub for innovation. Whether you're new to crypto, a professional day trader, or even an institution, BloFin adapts to your needs. Beginners get a clean interface and guidance, professionals enjoy advanced tools with low fees, and institutions rely on its high-speed, compliant infrastructure. BloFin is designed for everyone serious about digital asset trading. Next, let's explore the exciting collaboration between Crypto Chronicles on BloFin and how it gives traders massive earning potential. From August 18th to August 31st, UTC, BloFin is offering a unique futures bonus campaign tied to deposits and trading volume. This is designed to reward both beginners and seasoned traders who want to maximize their trading power. For example, even a small deposit of $100, when paired with sufficient trading volume, unlocks a $30 futures bonus, giving users additional capital to trade more effectively. As the deposits increase, so does the bonus. Depositing $500 can bring in a $200 bonus, while $1,000 could earn a $450 bonus, offering a clear advantage to traders who are ready to take their strategy to the next level. For more serious traders, larger deposits offer truly impressive rewards. A deposit of $5,000 combined with the required trading volume can earn a $1,500 bonus, while $100,000 can generate a $3,000 bonus. And for top-tier traders, a deposit of $200,000 with sufficient trading volume gives an astounding $10,000 futures bonus, creating one of the most lucrative opportunities in the market right now. These bonuses are not just incentives. They are practical tools. Traders can use the futures bonus to offset 100% of futures trading fees, cover 50% of losses or funding fees, and gain extra capital to trade smarter without risking additional personal funds. With clear rules and a transparent reward system, this collaboration ensures fairness while creating huge earning potential for participants. Overall, Crypto Chronicles on BloFin brings together a high-performance trading platform and a reward system that can supercharge your crypto trading journey. It's an opportunity to trade, earn, and grow like never before. So don't wait. Click the link in the description, join BloFin today, and take your trading journey to the next level. Thanks for watching. BloFin is more than just a trading platform. It's a fast, secure, and rewarding ecosystem for traders at every level. From advanced trading tools to exclusive futures bonuses, this collaboration with Crypto Chronicles opens up massive earning potential. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links, including how to get started. Join the community and claim your rewards. Stay updated with the latest trading opportunities, platform updates, and bonus events by following BloFin on social media. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Trade smart, earn bigger, and let BloFin take your crypto journey to the next level.